Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Today is going to be a very quick but very informative video showing you all how to upload larger files to Etsy. Now, if you're an avid Etsy uploader, you know that you can only put 5 files or a compressed file of up to 20 megabytes on there. So what do you do if you have a large bundle such as my lifetime access prompt guide bundle? There's well over 30 files, and I add files, if not daily, 4, 5, 6 times a week. So how do I offer this to my customers? Well, quite simply, I use Google Drive. And if you are not familiar with using it or how to give access to customers, I'm going to show you how to do that. But first I'm going to go over here just so you all who do not know can see what will happen if you try to upload something that is too large on Etsy. So I'm going to go and try to upload something. This one I know it's too big, so I'm going to show you. You try to upload it. It's not letting me upload it because it is too big. So, in order to upload, I go and I upload everything on Google Drive. But make sure you have a Google Drive account set up that goes with your brand. It's more professional to do it this way. Like for me, I use the King's Queen, and all you do is you simply set up a new Google, create a new email and use your brand name instead of your personal one. It looks more professional to your customers, and it's just a better look for your brand. But once you do that, you're going to go over here to the left and click new and new folder. Once you click that, you're going to name it whatever you want to. I have one already created called test bundle, so I'm going to go to that. You just simply double click on that folder. And now this one, you upload any and all files that you want to go in it. And you simply do that by right clicking, and you click on file upload, and then you pick up every file that you want to put into the folder, and it will upload, and you will be able to see it down here. It will have a green check once it is uploaded. And from there, I'm going to go to my main folder, the one that says this is my test. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to right click on it. And from here, you're going to go to share, and I'm going to go to the other one that says share. And now here, you're going to click right here. Normally it's on restricted, and if you want to offer your file through restricted mode, you have to go through emails and all of that. But it's easier to simply click on anyone with a link. So you click on that, and now over here on the right, just to make sure no one can alter your files, leave it on viewer. Now if you want them to be able to comment or anything like that or edit, that's your choice, but I highly recommend and suggest that you keep it on viewer. And from there you go down here, click copy link, and then you are done. And now if you want to, like I said, give access to customers and do this via Etsy, what I do is I go over here to Canva, I type up a cute little thank you note. You all know I'm over the top, so it's all about the details for me. I use my avatar, I type up a cute little thank you note, including my logo and everything. And let's just say that I am offering this prompt guide. The file is too big. So we have the link. So you simply click on this image. And now we're going to click on those three dots that appear right there. And we're going to go down here to link. And since I just copied the link from the Google Drive, I'm going to paste it right here and click enter. And now the link is inside this picture. So when I download it and give it to my customers, all they have to do is click on it and they can see it. And I also do it here with this click here button as well, so there won't be any confusion. And after that, you will download this your graphic here. Download it as a PDF. Do not give them a PNG. There's nothing that you can click on a PNG. So give them a PDF standard file. I'm going to download that. Okay, now that we have downloaded that, we're going to go to our downloads. And I'm going to open it up to make sure the link is working. I'm going to click right here, or I'm going to click right there. And there we go. We are right here on Google Drive. And you can get access to all the files that you put into the drive. They can't edit it or anything like that, but they can access it and download it right here. So this PDF that we just downloaded, okay, get out of that. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Google up here, and now I'm going to show you how all you do is upload, and you will offer them that file instead of the big file of however many files you're giving them. All you do is give them that PDF with the thank you note. And here we go. It's loading. And that's all you do. That's how you can offer larger files or hundreds of files or lifetime access to your entire shop. Whatever you want to do it via Google Drive. Very simple, very easy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you would like to get your hands on that lifetime access prompt guide bundle that I do have, I will have a link in the description. I add sometimes daily, 4 or 5 times a week. I'm adding new prompt guides, so I suggest you get your hands on it. I am uploading a new holiday bundle that is not on the shop yet, but they are in this bundle. So if you want to get ahead of the competition and start working on, let's say, St. Patrick's Day, that's coming up, and 4th of July, that's coming up. If you want to get started on working on projects for those holidays, my prompt guides will help you with your art. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Hope you all like it. Please comment down below. Talk to me. I'll talk back. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Click the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload a video, so that you all can be informed as to what's going on out here in the digital world. Until next time, you all be blessed.